Hello everyone. I am Anuja Atul Sawase. I am from SY AIDS department. This is ISA activity 2 of Foundations of AI, guidance by Krishna Kumar sir. My presentation topic name is Introduction to AI and Meaning of AI. Then contents of my presentation is objectives, introduction, artificial intelligence, birth of AI, Turing test, history of AI, Dartmouth conference and definition of AI, types of AI, AI models, meaning of AI, characteristics of AI, advantages of AI, disadvantages of AI, real world application of AI, challenges of AI, and future of AI. Then let's start objectives. Key objectives of AI is automation, natural language processing, decision making, human AI collaboration, problem solving, and robotics. Then, introduction to AI. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science focused on creating machines that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and decision making. It encompasses technologies like machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing, which allows systems to analyze data, understand language, and recognize patterns. AI is transforming various sectors by automating processes, providing personalized recommendations, and aiding in complex problem solving, with roots tracing back to the foundational work on thinking machines in the mid 20th century. Then next slide is artificial intelligence. The definition of artificial intelligence is stands for capability of systems to perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. Specific scientific domain is field of research in computer science. Then goal of AI is maximize chances of achieving defined goals using learning and intelligence. Task of AI is learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and decision making. Key functions is seeing, language translation, data analysis, and recommendations. Unique features of AI is handles data at scale beyond human capability. Then next slide is artificial intelligence. The definition is a set of technologies that enable computers to perform advanced functions like seeing, understanding language, analyzing data, and making recommendations. Then purpose of artificial intelligence is to unlock value for individuals and business through automation and intelligent decision making. Then capabilities is see, translate spoken and written language, analyze data, make recommendations, and understand natural language. Then example of AI is optical character recognition. Role of innovation acts as the backbone of the modern computing, driving new technological advancement and efficiencies. Then how do AI works? AI works in the steps of three: learning from data, mimicking cognitive functions, and the automation. Then go to the next slide is key aspects of AI. Then key aspects of AI is first is perception. In perception, the ability for machines to see and understand the world, such as using optical character recognition, exact text from images. Then reasoning and problem solving. In this, AI systems can analyze information, identify issue, and determine solutions much like a human. The next one is language. In language, AI enables machine to understand and respond to written and spoken language, a process known as natural language processing. Then learning. In learning, AI can learn from experience, whether through simple trial and error or by applying past knowledge to new analogous situation. Then move from next slide is birth of AI. The field of artificial intelligence was formally established at the Dartmouth Conference in 1956. The term artificial intelligence was first used. The birth of artificial intelligence (AI) as a formal field of study is widely created to the Dartmouth Conference in 1956, where the term artificial intelligence was coined by the John McCarthy. Prior to this, Alan Turing's 1950 paper on machine intelligence and early programs like the Logic Theorist in 1955 by Newell and Simon laid important foundational groundwork. Then next is birth of AI. Birth of AI, then AI coined by John McCarthy in year 1956 in Dartmouth Conference. In Turing's version, the computer program replaced one of the participants and the questioner had to determine which was the computer and which was the human. In 1950, English mathematician and computer science pioneer Alan Turing passed the questions, can machines think? In his paper Computing Machinery and Intelligence, Turing laid out what has become known as the Turing test or limitations game to determine whether a machine is capable of thinking. Beginning of AI as a field of study. Then Turing test. Turing test is coined by Alan Turing in year 1950, publishes work by Computing Machinery and Intelligence. Main question in Turing test is, can machine think? Test name is Turing test. Passing criteria: if the judge cannot reliably tell which is the machine is said to exhibit artificial intelligence. Purpose of Turing test is to determine whether a machine can exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from a human. Inspiration of by Turing test is based on a Victorian parlor game involving guessing between a man and a woman. Then next is criteria. First one is natural language processing, then knowledge representation, then reasoning, and then learning. In natural language processing, the machine must understand and generate human language fluently. In knowledge representation, the machine needs to handle and manipulate knowledge to provide contextually relevant responses. In reasoning, the machine should demonstrate some form of logical reasoning even if flawed to sustain a conversation. In learning, ideally the machine should learn from the interaction, adapting its responses over time. Then move forward to next slide. This is history of AI. In 1950, Alan Turing published Computer Machinery and Intelligence, which proposed a test of machine intelligence called the imitation game. In 1952, a computer scientist named Arthur Samuel developed a program to play checkers, which is the first to ever learn the game independently, and it is two players game. In 1955, John McCarthy a workshop at Dartmouth on artificial intelligence, which is the first use of the word and how it came into popular usage. They named Dartmouth Conference in 1956. This is slide for Dartmouth Conference. Proposal statement is every aspect of learning or any other feature of intelligence can in participate be so precisely described that a machine can be made to stimulate it. Then significance marked as of the birth of AI in academic studies and research. Location Dartmouth College, Hanover, New Hampshire. Then goal of Dartmouth conference is to find out how to make a machine behave in ways that would be called intelligent if a human were behaving. Then legacy laid the groundwork for decades of AI search in areas like machine learning, problem solving, and neural networks. Then organizer is John McCarthy. Key participant John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon. Then next is types of AI. AI can be classified into two main categories based on its capabilities and functionalities. First one is based on capabilities and another one is based on functionalities. In capabilities, there are three types: narrow artificial intelligence, general artificial intelligence, and super intelligence. Then based on functionalities, it having four types: reactive machines, self-aware AI, limited memory, and theory of mind. Then next one is meaning of AI. Basic definition of AI stands for the ability of machines to perform tasks that requires human-like intelligence. Then key function of AI is learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding language, visual perception. Then goal of AI is to build system that can think, learn and act like humans. Example is voice assistant, self-driving cars, facial recognition and chatbots. Field of study is a subfield of computer science focused on making intelligent machines. The next slide is key characteristics of artificial intelligence. Then main key characteristics of AI is problem solving, search space, state, search algorithm, complexity, learning and adaptation, optimization, heuristics, uncertainty, dynamism, interactivity, context dependence, multidisciplinary and goal oriented design. Move forward to next slide is advantages of artificial intelligence. Efficiency and productivity, enhanced decision making, personalization and customer experience, innovation and development, and reduction. Then disadvantages of artificial intelligence is lack of emotional intelligence, high implementation cost, ethical and privacy concerns, dependency and reliability, and job displacement. Then next is real-time applications of AI. First one is healthcare, second is retail, third customer service, fourth manufacturing, and fifth is finance. Then healthcare. AI helps in early diagnosis and treatment recommendations by analyzing medical data such as images and patient history, improving preventative care. Then retail. It personalizes shopping experiences by recommending products based on user behavior. It also helps optimize inventory management and predict demand, ensuring efficient stock control and better customer satisfaction. Then third one is customer service. AI-powered chatbots handle routine customer inquiries, provide support 24 by 7 and escalate more complex issues to human agents. This improves efficiency and reduces wait times, enhancing overall customer experience. Then manufacturing. It improves production efficiency by predicting machines, maintenance needs, preventing downtime and also enhances supply chain management by forecasting demand, optimizing operations and reducing waste. Then finance. AI in finance detects fraud. It analyzes market data and automates risk management. It also assists in personalized investment advice, helping individuals make smarter financial decisions. Then next is data privacy and security. AI systems require vast amount of data which can raise concerns about data privacy and protection. Ensuring sensitive information is secure and maintaining user trust is a significant challenge. Then bias and fairness. They can't inherit biases from the data they are trained on, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Addressing these biases is important for ensuring AI systems make impartial decisions. Lack of transparency. AI models, especially deep learning, can often act as black boxes, making it difficult to understand how they make decisions. This lack of transparency can be problematic in areas like healthcare or law enforcement. Then, job displacement. It automates tasks traditionally performed by humans. Concerns about job losses in certain sectors arise. Ensuring a smooth transition for workers and retraining them for new roles is essential. Ethical concerns. The use of AI in sensitive areas like surveillance, autonomous weapons, and decision making raises ethical questions. Finding a balance between technological innovation and ethical accountability remains a continuous challenge in AI development. Then, next is the future of AI and the trend of AI. The future of AI is technical growth, then smarter AI models with real-time learning, better reasoning, creativity, and adaptability. Then application is healthcare, autonomous vehicles, smart duties, and personalized education. Then emerging trends, generative AI, explainable AI, AI in robotics, emotion recognition. Economic impact, massive job transformation, new industries, increased efficiency, AI-driven business models. Then societal benefits, better healthcare, personalized education, efficient infrastructure, disaster prediction. Ethical concerns, bias, data privacy, job loss, misuse of AI in surveillance or welfare. Future challenge, regulations, fairness, transparency, ensuring AI aligns with human values. Long term, human AI collaboration, AGI, ethical AI governance. Then, next slide is applications of AI. There are four applications of AI: personalized experiences, navigations, healthcare, and automation. Then, first is personalized experiences. Platforms like Spotify use AI to provide song recommendations based on user behavior. Then navigation. AI-powered tools like Google Maps use real-time data to suggest faster routes and traffic updates. Then healthcare. AI assists in medical diagnosis, drug design, and improving physician-patient communication through chatbots. Then automation. AI automates repetitive tasks in various sectors, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Then next is conclusion for my presentation. A fascinating history of human ingenuity and our persistent creating sentient being artificial intelligence is on the rise. There is a scientific thanks to this unwearying quest where the development of AI is now not just an academic goal but also a moral one. We have a responsibility to guide this development carefully so that the benefits of artificial intelligence can be recapped for the good of society. Discipline has advanced with inexorable force, propelled by both enormous challenges and trailblazing discoveries. In every century, AI holds the key to unlocking a bright future where it acts as a catalyst for global wealth and a beacon on enlightenment. Our task is to fully use AI extraordinary powers because the AI, we know all AI is the rapid technology.